Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken zoodles. It's completely my way. It tastes like the chow mein but much healthier, so let's get started. First, we are going to make zoodles from zucchini. I'm going to use my spiral riser that I got from Amazon. I will put the link down below if you're interested in purchasing one. You can also use a vegetable shredder, that will work too. You will need 3 large zucchini for this recipe. Place zoodles in a large strainer and sprinkle with generous amount of salt and toast them together. The salt will help pull out the water from zucchini, so when we make stir-fried zoodles, the sauce will stay nice and thick as how we want. Meanwhile, let's marinate the chicken. Slice the chicken breast thinly and marinate them with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, and pinch of black pepper. Mix well and set aside. Now let's prep our veggies and sauce. Chop 3 cloves of garlic, 1 ounce of ginger, 3 green onions, and slice 1 red chili. To make sauce, combine 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of chicken stock, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Whisk everything together. Now we are ready to go back to the zoodles. You will see a lot of moisture came out from the zoodles. We do not want this water in our stir-fried zoodles, right? So get rid of that and prepare some paper towels. Place the zoodles and tap excess moisture from the zoodles with paper towels. Finally, heat a large skillet over high heat. I'm using cast iron pan today, but you can use any pan that you have in your kitchen. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and we are going to cook our chicken first. Sear the chicken both sides nicely. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside because we do not want to overcook the chicken. We want the chicken breast to be nice and juicy and tender. Into the same pan, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using avocado oil because, Costco always avocado oil, and I love avocado. And avocado has a super high smoke point. It's like higher than any other oils out there. So yeah, I love avocado oil for cooking. Go ahead and add all the chopped garlic, ginger, green onions, and the red chili. Stir fry everything together about a minute or until you can smell the aroma. Then go ahead and pour the sauce. Before you pour the sauce, make sure you mix it one last time because the starch is sunk down on the bottom, so make sure you get all the starch too. When the sauce is bubbling and sizzling, this is the time to add the zoodles. And toast the zoodles with the sauce, then go ahead and add the chicken. Turn off the heat, sprinkle some sesame seeds. I'm using white and black both because it looks pretty, and it's done. It's so fast and so easy, and it's so good for you. You should try it. Oh, I'm gonna say what you said about Hanyeol last night.
What did I say about Hanyeol?
So last night I was editing video right before upload the video, kind of like a last final check. And he was watching it together and he was like, Hanyeol is really photogenic. He looks better on camera than in real life.
You know how some people do, like if you're photogenic, you look like better than you in real life? And then some people, like I look like crap on in a picture compared to like it's different, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so you think you're better?
I didn't say I'm gorgeous or anything. I just think that if you had a level playing thing right now, whenever my pictures go, I look like down here, and then whenever you take pictures like you and Hanyeol both, then you guys go up like that.
So you're saying like in real
person,
life I'm not as pretty as on my picture?
You calling her a catfish now?
I can't.
Wow.
I can't win at this thing.
Okay, let's see it.
Oh, okay.
You know what I had to?
Zoodle, zoodle, zoodle.
This will help little low carb
wow.
because there's some sugar in the oyster sauce, so it's definitely not what should I
Keto?
call keto. But if you're not making keto, I'm pretty sure you can do. But people who've been doing keto diet probably know better than me about keto ingredients. So I'm not gonna mention anything, but
It's actually like noodles.
you can syrup.
This would be really good over rice too. Wouldn't it though? The sauce.
That is so like.
I know, but if you just want the vegetables and stir fry together, it'd be good over rice.
Guys, if you liked my chicken zoodles, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longest.
I'm Jacob Longest.
I'm Han Kim.
And this is Asian at Home. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Mwah. You look fabulous, though.
I don't think I can get ever full by eating this though.
That's why you need the rice.